Buying more and more things aren't going to make you happier, but buying the right things will. Hey guys, it's Ari here with your next video. Woohoo! So today we're going to talk about how to look better with the clothes that are already in your closet. So let's get started. Well, the first thing to looking your best with your wardrobe is to know your personal style. You are the only person that knows what you feel comfortable in and what you feel great in. So if you haven't watched my first video, please watch it because you'll understand your favorite things and you'll understand your personal style, and that will lead you in the right direction. Wear clothes that fit you. This one is kind of difficult for me because I did have a baby recently. Well, fairly recently. I mean, 7 months is still recently, right? So my body has completely changed in so many different ways. If you wear something that's too small for you, it's going to make you look bigger. You just want to make sure your clothes are proportionate to your body. I think also with quarantining, with COVID, I think everyone's kind of lifestyle has changed a bit. So make sure that the clothes you're wearing fit you. Sometimes I feel like I'm squeezing into all my clothes, but I think that's a personal problem. Understand your proportions. So ladies, we all have a figure, and men, we also have, it's not figure, what's it called? I can't think of it. A nice physique. There we go. Maybe, is it physique? You typically don't want your clothes to end at the widest point of your bodies. This is why I like to wear clothes that emphasize my waist, especially because I am not at my peak, at my prime. I don't look my very best right now. So for example, I don't want a t-shirt hitting like the widest part of my bicep because it's a little flabby and I don't want people just staring at the widest point. I like to wear longer jackets occasionally, which really draws your eyes up and make you look longer and leaner. Next tip, use a steamer for your clothes and also a lint roller. Even if you don't have dogs or cats, I get lint all over everything, so use one of these. This is a tip I should probably use more often. If you're enjoying this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have videos coming out every single week. Another way to instantly look put together is to wear the same color from head to toe. Monochrome. If you already know your personal style, then you probably already know your colors, so it should be easy. And if all else fails, all black. I mean, who doesn't have all black head to toe? This also works for activewear. If you wear a matching bra and bottoms, leggings, you instantly look more put together. Accessories can also make an outfit. So if you have hair clips, or a hat, or even sunglasses, those can instantly take you from here to here. You know what I'm saying? Here to here. Next tip, play around with colors. I like to mix complementary colors, so like one of my go-to combos with colors is like a light pink with like an army green or camo. It's like they're complementary. Next tip, layer your clothing. Wear a t-shirt under a dress or wear a sweater over a dress. So many possibilities. The next tip I'm going to give you is to tuck in your shirt or sweater into the front of your pants. Even a small little tuck. If you don't want to tuck in your entire shirt, that's going to instantly make you look more polished. And if you have jeans that are too long and you don't want to take it to a tailor to get them hemmed, just cut them. Cut them at your ankle. And instantly, you look put together. I hope this video was helpful for you and you gathered some information that you can apply to your closet. Leave a comment below if you have any tips for how to dress better with the clothes in your closet. Next week's video is going to be on traveling on an airplane with a baby during COVID. Get ready. See you next week, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel.